Ocean Road. Done.
You don't want to live in this house.
Not a chance. Put it on the ground. Done. Just,
But imagine the views.
I don't think that's not even the whole house. It's just like a room.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a sunroom or whatever.
Well, we are almost at the end of the Great Ocean Road.
Thank God.
It has hardly been a relaxing experience.
Wouldn't recommend towing the caravan down there, number one. And most of the towns don't accommodate for vans or parking or anything. It's a nightmare.
We've missed out on so many things that we wanted to do.
Yeah, you just couldn't get in anywhere.
Yeah, like today we wanted to go to Lawn, couldn't find parking. Wanted to go to Split Point Lighthouse, which is the lighthouse that was used in Round the Twist, the TV show. But there was like no parking available. And yeah, so I'm kind of looking forward to get off the Great Ocean Road.
Yeah, I'm done with it.
Yeah, although we stayed somewhere beautiful last night. We stayed at Cumberland River Holiday Park.
We could have stayed there for a few days.
Yeah, we should have just done that. Oh well. But yeah, that was beautiful, amazing, lovely. But yeah, on the way to Torquay now. Thank goodness. Yeah. We are at the iconic Bells Beach. Ryan's just done some droning. And this beach is well known for surfing. Quite a few people out there surfing right now.
Very sharp again.
Oh yeah. Where are we, Ryan?
I have no idea.
Ah, Port Lonsdale? No. No?
Get a bit of head going here. Don't have a phone. Oh, I can smell the marshmallows.
Yeah?
Mm.
Nice.
Yum. Not bad. Not bad at all.
So a quick little life update. We are staying in Werribee near Melbourne for a few weeks. Yeah.
Had surgery cancelled, so not going to waste the accommodation. We'll just hang around, do some stuff.
Yeah. So yeah, gonna do a few things today. We're gonna head to the Werribee Open Range Zoo and check that out.
Wait for the rain.
Yeah. So we've had some really quite miserable days since we've been in Werribee. Weather-wise. Yeah, the weather is beautiful today, so we're going to head to Werribee Mansion to have a look. You excited?
Oh, stoked. I love mansions.
Yeah, he loves looking at old houses.
It'll be alright. Rachel trying to figure out where the microwave is.
Heard them before I saw them.
Did you get that own poo on ya?
I know.
Big bats though.
Huge.
What are you doing, mate?
So we've just been to Werribee Mansion. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, it was cool. Something different.
Yeah, absolutely. It's not often you get to see houses like that in Australia, so it's nice that you can go and visit and check it out. Yeah, and the gardens were nice too.
Yeah.
Lots of different trees.
I picked a good day for it.
We did actually, we jagged that. And the bats.
Yeah, heaps of flying foxes.
Yeah, thousands and thousands of bats. So, or flying foxes, which was pretty cool too. Yeah, we're gonna drive to Geelong now because we've got some friends that are travelling through, so we're gonna go and have a beer with them down there.
Yeah.
And to top off the day, I just turned my head and I thought, oh, the zoo's over that way. Just saw an elephant. I think Ryan thought that there was the end of the world.
Jesus, squealing.
Because I was squealing.
Oh, tiger snake was in the footwell of the car.
No, just an elephant. So we didn't get to see them at the zoo because they've all only just arrived to Werribee Zoo, so they're not on public display yet, but I saw one. Morning everyone, we are up bright and early.
Hasn't gone 8 yet, which is good for us.
Yeah, we've been very lazy actually, not getting up until 8 o'clock at least. But we are up early, so we are heading to the Victorian Caravan and Camping Show today. So we had to get up early to get a car park at the train station.
Believe it or not, we haven't even been to one in Perth or WA or anywhere yet, so this is our first one.
Yeah, and apparently it's the largest one in Australia, so thought we'd give it, I thought we'd give it a go, check it out. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Right, it's gonna be good. Oh, look, another one.
Well, what a... Ooh, look at that.
Oh, it's good chase.
No, really? Would it get that? Oh yeah. Oh. Well, what a way to end a great day.
Yeah.
Yeah. Went to the Caravan show today, had a lovely time, and now we're watching the sunset over in Werribee South.